Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if today is your first time here, you are highly welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a natural remedy that you're going to use on your skin and it's going to transform your skin. So if you're having any problem like age related problems and dark spots and dark dots and all of those age problems like wrinkles, this remedy is going to help you, okay, and it's going to remove all of those problems and you are going to be good. All right, so if you want to know what it is, please do continue watching and don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also drop your comment below and share this video. All right, let's dive into the video. To look 10 years younger, you're going to be needing honey. Now honey is a natural anti-aging and moisturizing remedy that helps to leave your skin smooth. It works as a barrier on the skin because it also helps to soften the skin, allowing product to get into your skin and work so well. It also helps to soften the fine lines and wrinkles, therefore getting rid of it. So we're gonna be putting in about 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey. Okay, enough of honey. We need enough of this honey. And now we're also gonna be needing gram flour. Now gram flour is a vast ingredient that works in removing fine lines. It helps to get rid of wrinkles. It's also get rid of pigmentations. Gram flour helps in removing dark elbow, so it will work in reverting your age. Okay, it's going to make your skin look younger and smoother. And then for the gram flour, guys, we'll be needing just 1 tablespoon of that. So we're going to be mixing it with egg. Now egg white is a natural skin tightener. It helps in closing up a large and open pores. It works in exfoliating the skin. It tightens up the skin, preventing fine lines, and it also helps to remove sagginess. It would help to make you look younger. So we're going to be breaking in the egg, but we have to extract the yolk from the white. So I'm going to cut open and I'm going to be putting in the white. Alright. And then we're going to be needing Johnson baby oil. So you're going to be using the one of regular, okay? This oil is thick and is great for moisturizing the skin. It's a natural oil that leaves your skin looking smooth and radiant. It's going to be helpful for removal of wrinkles and fine lines because it creates a barrier on the skin, and it also, softens the lines. And now we're going to be pouring in about half teaspoon of this oil. So now let's mix together. It's going to be looking very golden in color. And it's going to be really thick. So we would have to mix very well so we can crush all of the gram flour. Alright, so this is how it looks like. This is going to make you look 5 to 10 years younger. I mean, your skin is just going to glow really well, okay? But you have to stir and mix it really well, okay? Alright, so for this you can actually store it up to 5 to 1 week, like 5 to 7 days, and it's just going to be there. It's going to still be very effective, so you can actually use it consistently for 1 week and you're going to see the results. So to look younger, you have to first of all wash your face. I just washed my face right now, okay, and here's the treatment. It's actually looking golden brown and really nice. Look at that. Okay, and after which you've washed your face, it's actually like going to make your skin soft, okay, enough for this treatment to actually sink inside your pores when you apply it. Okay, that's basically why I wash my face with this remedy, because I want to look younger. I don't want to grow old. No, I didn't mean you're not going to grow old. I mean your skin is going to look younger. Okay? But for your age, no way. Anyway, so you just apply this generously onto every part of your face or your hands or your feet if you're actually experiencing all those dryness on your feet. Okay, you can actually use this. Okay, it's just going to get into your skin and polish up your skin so well. So you have to apply it generously. Okay, so after you're done applying this, then you can wait, like I'm waiting right now. You wait for it to get into your skin, but before you do that, you have to scrub it. Okay, you scrub very well, but not too much so you don't bruise your skin. Okay, you scrub and then you scrub. Okay. So even if you don't have wrinkles, guys, you can use this remedy for prevention. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna wait for a little while and I'm gonna go wash it out. So for this treatment, you can actually store it for like 5 to 7 days, just like I earlier said. It's gonna stay because it's not gonna go bad because of the honey. Alright, and then I'll go wash this off. If you do this once to 2-3 in a week, I mean, if you're having wrinkles, you can increase the number of time you apply it. But if you're not having wrinkles, you can use it once in a week just to prevent. Okay, because prevention or better than cure. So that's it. Using baby oil and this other natural remedy would help you so much, because the oil is is very thick and it's going to retain moisture onto your skin. It's just as Vaseline. Okay, it's really great. So that's it, guys. If you did love this video, please don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video. Also, don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Alright guys, I'll see you soon in my next video, and bye guys.